moving company in Baltimore. A to Z Movers is a family-owned and operated moving services company with experienced professional Baltimore movers. We place a high value on customer service and training, and we're proud of our staff of expertly trained Baltimore movers who use the best tools and resources available to meet or exceed your expectations. Schedule a meeting with AZ, a professional moving company in Baltimore, MD, to prepare your inventory checklist or get a free quote. Competitive pricing, climate-controlled storage facilities, and specialized moving services are just a few advantages our moving company in Baltimore, MD, offers. Our team of Baltimore movers comprises qualified, background-checked, and drug-screened personnel to guarantee their dependability and proficiency in managing local and cross-country moves. AZ Moving Company is registered with the Better Business Bureau. With over 17 years of experience, the professional guys at AZ Moving have served many clients. Our professional crew is committed to providing excellent customer service and assuring 100% customer satisfaction, including skilled packing, effective loading, and dependable transportation. Voted the best of Baltimore movers and known as one of the best moving companies in Maryland, much of our business comes from satisfied repeat customers and personal referrals.